Oh.
The whereabouts of your home. We're off and as we're thrown into kingdom come. We won't be back until we've found your mom. But we don't even know where his farm is, dear. How are we going to plan the route?
Don't worry, dear. I'll navigate.
That's what I was afraid of. We're off on the wild goose chase. It's a thankless task, but we ask who could do it as well as we. We're off to solve this problem's crux. For what would be grander than having a gather for able missing ducks?
All right.
Such as ours can perform this role. We're on, and we'll prove that's not the case.
Avoiding exactly research on its right way, and then when it comes to bed.
It'll be fine. We're on to over the people. They're putting away their guns.
Are you sure? All right, men, final check. Oh, and here's the cat's parachute.
Me?
You don't think I was going to leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh, no, puss. You're coming with us.
Oh, get me